Namaskara, dear friends at Disha Bharat. First, my best wishes to all of you as we celebrate our 73rd Independence Day. It is a joyous moment for each one of us. I specifically would like to congratulate you on your project My Bharat. I have personally traveled this length and breadth of this great Bharat Varsha over the last 25-30 years, and there is so much to celebrate about our country. A nation with such great stories, great sacrifices, and great traditions and heritage. So we have an opportunity to celebrate this very emotion of India, which gives us a sense of strength and courage as we build ourselves and move ahead to greater heights. For each one of our young Indians, I think it's a great opportunity, because for me, when you say My Bharat, is like Mera Bharat. Each one of us has to build and contribute so that we feel the strength of this nation coming together. Whatever you're doing, if you can bring about a sense of passion and creativity, because the nation has so many things to inspire us. So if you get inspired by the art, the creativity that this civilization has given us, this rich 5,000-year-old heritage has given us, I think we have a lot to learn and inspire ourselves, and not just to inspire and grow, but to offer and contribute. I always see that there is so much every person can contribute. And when we do that with a sense of honesty and sense of pride, sense of belonging, we truly build a nation of strength, a nation of strength of young minds. So I once again wish every member of Disha Bharat, and look forward to meeting you all soon. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.